Most people find that the idea of consuming less calories can help with overweight. Now pay attention to the next question. Are you still counting every calorie, thinking it's the ultimate secret to weight loss? Here's a shocking truth. The traditional, calories in versus calories out, theory might be holding you back. Despite the endless hours of dieting and calorie counting, why are so many people still struggling to shed those extra pounds or keep them off? The problem lies in the oversimplification of a very complex system, your body. In this video, we'll uncover why the calorie theory is flawed, explore the science behind it, and reveal smarter, more effective approaches to achieving your weight loss goals. Welcome to Levitas. Does calorie counting guarantee weight loss? Calorie counting has been touted as the cornerstone of weight loss for decades. The logic seems simple: burn more calories than you consume, and you'll lose weight. However, science tells a different story. Calorie counting assumes that every calorie is metabolized the same way in every body, ignoring significant variables like metabolic rate, hormone fluctuations, gut health, and food composition. For instance, 100 calories from a sugary drink will spike insulin levels, encouraging fat storage, while 100 calories from a piece of salmon provides protein and healthy fats, supporting muscle repair and satiety. Moreover, not all bodies burn calories at the same rate. Factors like genetics, age, sleep quality, and stress levels can make two people respond very differently to identical calorie intakes. Even the precision of calorie counting is questionable. Food labels often have a margin of error of up to 20%, and cooking methods can alter calorie availability. As a result, relying solely on calorie counting often leads to frustration, plateaus, or even weight regain, especially if deeper issues like hormonal imbalances or metabolic dysfunction are left unaddressed. Are all calories created equal? Not all calories are created equal, and treating them as such oversimplifies the complex relationship between food and your body. The different macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats affect your metabolism and hormones in unique ways. For instance, a calorie from refined sugar leads to a rapid insulin spike and fat storage, while a calorie from avocado provides slow-digesting fats that fuel energy, reduce hunger, and keep low sugar and insulin levels. Additionally, foods rich in fiber and protein require more energy to digest, meaning fewer net calories are absorbed. This is why the source of your calories matters much more than the total number. How processed foods affect calorie absorption? Processed foods have a sneaky way of undermining your weight loss efforts. These foods are engineered to be hyper-palatable, making it easy to consume more calories than you realize. Beyond that, processed foods often lack fiber and are stripped of nutrients, requiring minimal effort for your digestive system to break them down. This means more calories are absorbed quickly and stored as fat. For example, compare a whole apple to apple juice. The fiber in the whole apple slows digestion, keeping you full longer and reducing the insulin spike. In contrast, the juice is rapidly absorbed, causing blood sugar and insulin to spike, causing the perfect conditions for fat storage. Processing also disrupts the structure of foods, making calories more bioavailable. Studies show that heavily processed foods like bread or chips are digested faster, leading to higher calorie absorption compared to whole, minimally processed options like vegetables. In essence, the easier it is for your body to digest a food, the more calories it absorbs, which is why whole, nutrient-dense foods should be prioritized for weight loss. What's the gut's role in calorie absorption? Your gut is more than a digestive organ. It's a dynamic ecosystem that plays a pivotal role in how your body processes calories and manages weight. The trillions of friendly bacteria living in your gut, collectively known as the gut microbiome, affect calorie absorption, energy expenditure, and even appetite regulation. For instance, studies reveal that people with a less diverse microbiome tend to extract more calories from the same food compared to those with a rich, balanced microbiome. Certain unfriendly gut bacteria are efficient at breaking down complex carbohydrates, turning them into calories your body can store as fat, which is something we don't want. Conversely, a healthy microbiome produces beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids, which regulate inflammation and enhance metabolic health. Meds like antibiotics, stress, and poor diet can disrupt the microbiome, leading to imbalances that favor weight gain. To optimize gut health, focus on fiber-rich foods like vegetables, legumes, and low-glycemic fruits, as well as fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir, which replenish beneficial bacteria. When your gut is healthy, It not only supports better calorie utilization, but also promotes overall metabolic balance. Okay, so now we know that the calorie theory is not the answer for fat release, but we need to pay attention to the next question. Have you ever wondered what happens to the metabolism with calorie restriction? Caloric restriction may seem like a logical strategy for weight loss until now, but it will backfire, especially when done excessively or over a long period. Your body perceives calorie deficits as a form of stress, triggering a survival mechanism to conserve energy. This leads to a slowdown in your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, the number of calories your body burns at rest. When your metabolism slows, weight loss becomes harder, even if you're eating fewer calories. Muscle mass, a key driver of metabolism, is often sacrificed in the process, further reducing your caloric needs. Hormonal changes also occur. Levels of leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, drop, while ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases, making it harder to stick to your diet. And even worse, once normal eating resumes, the slowed metabolism can lead to rapid weight regain, which is often more than was initially lost. This cycle of restriction and rebound, known as yo-yo dieting, damages metabolism over time. To avoid these pitfalls, focus on sustainable eating patterns that prioritize nutrient density, hormone health, and balance over calorie cutting. What should replace calorie counting? Instead of obsessing over calories, focus on the quality of the foods you eat. Prioritize nutrient-dense, whole foods like vegetables, fruits, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats, which naturally regulate hunger and provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive. Incorporate habits like mindful eating, balancing macronutrients, and listening to your body's hunger cues. By emphasizing nourishment over numbers, you support long-term metabolic health and sustainable weight loss. Combining hormonal balance through high-quality foods with calorie awareness can offer a holistic approach to weight loss. Start by addressing hormonal factors like insulin resistance, cortisol spikes, and leptin sensitivity, which are often the root cause of weight struggles. This involves focusing on foods with a low glycemic index, avoiding refined carbs, and incorporating high-quality proteins and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar and curb cravings. At the same time, you can use calorie counting as a flexible tool rather than a strict rule. Instead of aiming for extreme deficits, focus on keeping your count to basal, ensuring you're still meeting your body's needs for essential nutrients. Pair this with intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating, which naturally regulates insulin and enhances fat burning without the need to micromanage every meal. Additionally, prioritize resistance training to build muscle, which boosts your metabolic rate and allows for greater calorie flexibility. By blending these two approaches, you achieve weight loss that's not only effective but also sustainable, keeping both your hormones and metabolism in balance. In conclusion, the idea that calories in, calories out is the ultimate key to weight loss oversimplifies the complexities of how our bodies process food and manage energy. While calorie counting may offer a basic framework, it fails to account for critical factors like the type of food consumed, the impact of processing on calorie absorption, and individual metabolic differences. Whole, nutrient-dense foods support better satiety, balanced hormones, and healthier calorie utilization compared to processed alternatives. Moreover, the gut microbiome plays a crucial role in determining how calories are absorbed and metabolized. A healthy, diverse microbiome not only optimizes digestion, but also supports metabolic health, reducing the risk of fat storage. Also, remember that restrictive dieting can harm metabolism by triggering survival mechanisms that slow calorie burn and increase hunger hormones, often leading to weight regain. To truly support long-term weight management, the focus must shift from counting calories to balancing hormones, prioritizing food quality, and adopting sustainable habits. Combining hormone-balancing foods, flexible calorie awareness with approaches like mindful eating, intermittent fasting, and resistance training offers a balanced path to achieving metabolic health and effective, lasting weight loss. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.